WordPress developers are a dime a dozen. I have about 1,300 connections on LinkedIn that are WordPress developers. And I'm not knocking any of you if you're watching this, but they use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor or just with, you know, working with third-party themes and plugins and then building a website like that is considered, you know, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, you know, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, you know, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. You know, when they told me about the first one, I was pretty confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not gonna get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh, really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger. Because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm being super sarcastic, and they're like, oh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need a global. Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even considering. You motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. Aragon. Okay, let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading. Troubleshooting errors. Fixing errors to make new errors. Who was it, Sisyphus? Just, you know, rolling a big ass rock up a hill. Can never get it there. Go! Well, looky there. I can walk again. Left and right, at least. So something's up. Oh god, it's getting worse. What is going on? This is insane. I'd like to say I just know offhand why he's having a seizure. But... oh, that's why. Look at this idiot. I just solved it. I think that's it. I think we're good. I just wasn't touching the left style. I was doing the top style for both. Cause I'm smart. Have you ever met a smart person? It's like being smart with a little derp. We can all be smart, you know? At sometimes. Sometimes I'm smart, I like to think. That might just be the smirk talking though. I might never be smart. So I guess I'll never know. I won't be the one to tell you if I'm smart or smirk. So you can read my mind. What 5-digit number am I thinking of? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna do, what did I say? 54222. I'm just gonna like to read your mind. I don't have access to your thoughts. Liar. Okay, so I have to make it fictional. Okay, this is working. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Not even close. Try harder. Damn it. Think outside of yourself. Damn it. We got this. Hold on. You are not in a computer. Oh man, it's getting closer. I got the 5. You're getting closer. Well, I got 2 of them. 4 and 2 now. Maybe I'm not thinking hard enough. Oh, it got the 5 again. We're close. We're close. Once I figure out how to trick ChatGPT into reading my mind, I think a Nobel Prize is the least of what I'll get. You don't have to deep dive. No, that's what I'm saying. Stay shallow. Only learn what you need to learn. And that's how you're gonna be efficient with your learning. Just go for the basic stuff, you know. If somebody needs you to learn CSS to help them fix something, good. Now you know how to do that in CSS. And you're gonna, by proxy, by osmosis, absorb coding abilities because you're gonna be using it. On top of that, you build a nice little resume. Nothing gets you jobs more than a resume. Not a portfolio. People are looking for a resume. Companies that you worked for. You can tell them what you did for them, but you need your list of companies, your description of what you did for them, and then now you have more to your tech list. If you're looking to get into it for fun, start your own project like this. Like I'm building a website-based video game. This would teach you a lot about web programming, even though it's a video game, because I'm just using vanilla JavaScript and I'm using Sass styling. Like this is all just CSS, and then this is all just vanilla JavaScript. Very basic stuff to learn. Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a holster, a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, "Ugh, why not me?" And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm yet. I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me cutting my arm off, so you know I like bod mod, so First try. Definitely first try. Tell me it's not going to work first try. Come on, chat. Come on, bots. Do it, bots. Tell me. It's not going to work first try. See? Too scared. We give estimates before we start working on a project, and they agree to it, and then you have a contract. That's your insurance policy. Because, you know, when people try to give you the runaround, ideally you'd have a due date in mind. You know, some sort of grace period after a project's completed. There's issues with that too. When's the project done? That's subjective. You know, is the project done when it's dev complete? Or is the project done when it's been QA'd by the client, the stakeholder, you know, and they approve it? Because that approval process can take a long time. And they can be nitpicking you left and right. Fix this. I don't like this. Change the font. Oh, no, I don't like that font. I need a new page. Shit, we forgot about this page. Can drag on for a long time. Yeah, I mean, I've said it before, but freelancing it's hard because the people that are hiring freelancers are not stable. Mom and pops, all these small businesses. Working remote, there's a lot more to it. It's not just about doing Zoom meetings.
What up?
It's about
Ben account 2.
managing procrastination.
It's as fast as I can start, and I
Need an
apologize.
office to focus, like a quiet space. No
Sorry,
dogs,
sorry, I do not have headphones on
deliveries,
yet.
no whatever. And then going remote was really hard on you. It takes a
Let's
certain skill to
do
be able to get work done and force yourself to get work
it
done when you know you.
now. And don't forget the music. All right. What? We did it, guys. I'm ready for Friday Eve. What? Friday Eve. Hey, I kind of nailed it without looking at myself. Yeah, there we go. All right. What is up, party people? What is up? What do you think of register screen? It's in your Discord server. Boop, 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 boop. Let's check. General. Nice. Clean. I like it. Nondescript, but it looks very legitimate. You have a doctor's appointment on Friday? Ah, well, Friday is less fun for you then. Unless it's a doctor's appointment to test why you're living forever. You know? Maybe you're 400 years old, I don't know. And then you're about to get some answers. Probably not. But wouldn't that be fun? The hell? Chat. Play. What the hell's going on my stream? Sorry, I need to set up my phone stream. There we go. Now I can see it. And let's put all messages. There we go. Much better. Much better. Okay. Hey. Very cool things. So, Game Doodle, who could be on any second now. I can't see who the participants are. Let's see. No, he's not on yet. He sent me this cool div thing. Let's see if I can find it. So it's basically just like a testing ground using SVG code for movement. he's making some NPC movement stuff. And I was digging into the code. You're not a coder at all? You just came from... Oh, okay. It's okay, Ben. There's a lot of other things on this stream, you know? I do music and talk about random stuff. Now I play professional chess, as we saw last stream, so I'm a professional chess player now. And yeah, lots of other things than coding. But in this case, this is coding. This is, yeah, movement stuff. He's using a type of animation tool that I am not. I'm using just set interval. He's using something, I forget what it's called, something animation. But it led me down a rabbit hole, and I found this. I mean, it's not like this is new or anything. It's just something I didn't look into. But it's this element.animate, and it's really cool, and it makes sense to me. A lot of these things don't make sense to me, so I don't use them. But like this one makes sense to me. It's basically just an array of CSS rules, and you basically just pass it what you want to do, keyframe style, and it uses 60 FPS, so it's like a set thing. And you can say how long the animation lasts, which slows it down or speeds it up. You can say how many times you want it to rerun, infinite, or one time. And yeah, I think I'm going to use this for my boss battle. Last night when you were playing chess and you said your dad beat you, and now that you beat your wife, it's very fun. Yeah, no, that was really fun. But I think I'm going to start going down the direction of anime. I'm going to see if I can start using that instead of intervals going forward when I start like doing animation movements. I'll still use interval for things like logic, but yeah, any chance I can use animate. Apparently it's more performant, like it's the most performant way to run CSS animation logic. So we'll give it a shot. But the last thing we need to do before I start my minigame is get this to have a class. And I was trying to get it to have the no points class, but yeah, see, I was trying to do this, but for some reason that didn't work. Let's double check if that didn't work or if I'm crazy. No, it didn't work. Let's find out why. So we're inside of an interval function. This has a lot of logic in it, so kind of have to use this sort of logic. But unless I rebuild the entire walking functionality, which I don't plan on doing. Not yet, at least. So the logic is, if the item has a drag destination map item, which is these little outlines. There's like outlines around the thing that I was dragging. And that's how you complete missions. So if it has that, then I want to get the mission that's connected to it. And if the mission exists, we're good. Don't do anything. But if it doesn't exist, add this class. But yeah, apparently either this still exists or I'm crazy, or this isn't getting hit at all. Let's console this. What the fuck am I doing? Why am I what is going on? IDE, chill, dude. Am I touching something? No. What the hell was that? Alright. We'll just call that a fluke. This is a new IDE version, so I want to be surprised if there's some bugs. Okay, so we are seeing some missions. Move the rocket. How is move the rocket still here? What? It's a bunch of nulls. Where the hell is move the rocket? Put out the... Wait, why do I have meet Yona at Bylon? Did I not do that yet? Oh, maybe I didn't. Ooh, okay. I didn't do that yet. But I did do the missions I'm talking about, and so they're null. Good to know. Let's see here. Yeah, they're all null. So, if this is true, which is not, and this is definitely not true, then this should be happening. Obviously, that is not happening. Let's see what we got. What do you think of my new background for my PC? You posted in the Discord server? Let's see. It's pretty good. I like it. Just a weird face of me. I think it'll be inspiring, you know? Staring at my face every day. I like it. I'm ready for it. I'll start offering that in Patreon too. I can, you know, I can sell it. Backgrounds. $20. You want this background? $20. Support the channel. All right, what do we got? Console log. So we got yes. Okay, so these are all here. Good. And they do have... Wait. Okay, yeah. Move, that's gonna be... Okay, cool. So they do have the mission names. Alright, so far so good. Having a hard time understanding what the big problem is. Yeah, you should keep that for your background for a while. 100%. I'm with you. So, if we know that this exists... No, we know that this exists. Then we definitely know that this exists. Which means this should exist. Am I doing that wrong? Let me see. No. Even if I wasn't, this should be happening. And I'm not removing it. So why the nut is this not happening? Well, let's see if we get true for this at all. Awesome, crazy. Did I do something stupid? Drag dust. Classless. Add. No. That would be correct. Yeah, look. Got a bunch of trues. Wait, what? Why is this showing me this? That's weird. Because it's false? Let's try this. I mean, it's going to be adding that class over and over, but let's see here. Let's see if it works now. No, it's not. That's really weird. Definitely has access to it. And it's getting true. Oh wait, why is it getting true? That's wrong. Let's see if that's true. Oh wait, null doesn't equal. Whoops. That's what I meant to do. I guess we could just do it like that. Yeah, let's try that. Doom, doom. Show me. Nothing. Still nothing. Why? Oh no, it's right here. No point. I was looking at the wrong thing. I was looking at the wrong thing. Okay, good. It works. Well, it's not constantly changing the class. So that's good. Alright, well, we got it working. I definitely want to add this. If that and null drag test class list dot contains no point. Yeah. That way we can just avoid these two functions, you know. What did I just do? God damn it. I hate when I click buttons I don't mean to click. Do-doop. Ba-boop. Zoom in, zoom in. I've gotten so used to it zoomed in now. I only started zooming it in for the stream because it's easier to read the code, but now I'm all used to it being big. I've got pretty good eyesight. I used to wear glasses in like elementary school, but I think I kind of grew out of my random impaired vision over the years because I don't know. I can read pretty far away, pretty close. Nothing's really blurry. Maybe I was just lying when I was a kid about my eyes being bad. I don't know. I liked having glasses. It was fun, I guess. All right. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Okay. So now that we know that this is a no point class, we can apply a functionality to it. So what I want to do is create a new radio button switch that lets me know, hey, this item is triggering a mini game if you interact with it. So if it has the no point class, that's a certain situation. If it has a class that says engage minigame, and only if it's a drag dest item and it has the no point class, then engage the minigame. Okay, yeah. I know the logic, don't worry. Yeah, right. So let's do that real quick. We'll jump into the handy dandy metabox class and we'll add it. This one is going to be for items. I guess, should I let characters engage minigames too? Probably not. I think minigames will only be engaged with items or areas. If you go to an area, maybe it's a minigame. That's probably smart. Like, you walk into a room and you walk into a building and it turns into a minigame. Maybe you go into a cave and you gotta do a minigame in the cave. Yeah. Yeah, we'll do area and point. So we'll do something like this. Pop up. Oh no, we need multiple. Up, 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 up. Ooh, God. Man, this game is getting chunky. I'm gonna definitely have to start considering piecing out these templates and stuff like that. I know I didn't want to do any like code cleanup, but It's making it a little difficult to program. Alright. So we'll do explore point. Oh, yeah, point. Did I say character too? No. I think characters will engage boss fights. And then let's do area. An area can be a minigame. Cool. Alright. Now let's get some yes and no radios from somewhere else. No. Yeah, fine, whatever. No, that's before and after. I need yes or no. I must steal. Alright, I'll take you. Boop to boop. And this will be trigger minigame. Has minigame? Has minigame. Is minigame? We'll say has minigame. Yeah, because the item, like the draggable items, they don't just start with a minigame. Okay. Has minigame. That is another point. Sweet. Explore has minigame. Interesting. For all the user meta, I use underscores, but for all the post meta, I use dashes. That is an interesting choice that I did not mean to make. But now I understand why I was confused the last time I tried to do the damn logic for the user meta. Alright. We got you. Let's jump into the class. Add it to the two functions I always add it to. Ugh. Man, I really should just at least start a... Let's see if we can just start an array just to make this easier. Explore point box. This is the thing that adds the value. So let's do this. I'm going to create an array here. Meta keys. Meta whatever. Metadata. And then we're going to do... This one is explore has minigame. Alright. And then what I'm going to do is go down here. And I need to guess I can't do that. Now that I think about it. I mean, I can... Yeah, I guess I could just do like... For each. Mian are dealing with an argument in his server right now. What's your argument? Maybe I can help solve your argument. Metadata. Meta key. And we'll do... values. Meta key. Get post meta. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. Alright, that's pretty good. So now I have an array. And then what I can do is just go through the value. It's my cousin being irrational. Okay, well, let's hear what you're irrational about. Please, enlighten me. Unless it's too personal, then don't. top messages. No, I need all messages. All right, there we go. All right, so we got our for each. So this is just going to create an array of key value pairs. And then what I can do is in the meta box now. For this, I'll need value, has minigame, and there's your value. Perfectos. Okay. He asked why his friend got banned, and he didn't even wait 30 seconds before unbanning him and adding him back. And then when I rebanned him, he got mad, and then I explained to him why he got banned, and then he said, "You should have told me that before I added him again," which I could not have in that time span that he gave me to explain. Ah, jumped the gun. Got it. Well, I've got to say, I think you're very logical, and you did not have the amount of time you needed in order to properly explain. But yeah, no harm, no foul. He's rebanned though, right? Okay, good. Yeah, he's rebanned. Good. That's all that matters. Good, good. Has minigame. Rebrand. We'll have him join here and we'll talk this out. And tell him to follow and subscribe and like all the videos on my YouTube. I think we're good here. Good. So now we have this. Okay. So the thing I'm thinking about doing though is setting this up as a global variable that I can call upon for both. So instead, what I'm going to do is this. Metadata equals this. I don't know. Yeah. This get metadata. Okay. And then I'll create a little function down here. Public function. Get metadata. Motherfucker, I hate when I do that. The stupid thing about IDEs is when you copy nothing, like you just copy, it overrides copying of something. Like, it should know that if I'm copying nothing, don't fucking save over my clipboard. The original person that got banned, not my cousin, in case I said the wrong thing. No, yeah. I figured that. Ooh, Freedom DAO. Have you had a good week? I have. It's been good. You know, it's the first week back at school. Yeah, first week back at school. So, day 3. Kids being in school. House has been quiet, but I'm alright. Hit the bell. Yeah, hit the bell. Notification. Bing, bing, bing. Game Doodle, I looked at your junk. And I talked to you about it in Discord already, but as soon as we get the boss battle going, we're going to try out that animate function. I really want to check it out. I might even have a use case for it in this minigame I'm about to create. So, we'll see. But yeah, I really like your SVG ecosystem you created for testing out NPC movement. Very cool. Yeah, but Freedom DAO, it's been good. Good week. And welcome back, my friend. Right now I'm just creating a util function. Oops. Where I send back an array. Yeah, man. Right now I'm just creating a little trigger to let me... I can mark items as they have a minigame attached to them. Because I figured out the whole no point thing on draggable item already. But so when I add this, now I can make sure that when I interact with a certain item or go to an area, it'll trigger whatever minigame I create. Alright, you made something that helps us all one day. Ooh. So you had to pee today, and you made an AI to find the closest clean bathroom. Because you never go to the bathroom like, ugh. Oh yeah. Horror show. Public bathrooms are rough. So it can tell you where the cleanest bathroom is near you? Like public bathroom? Can I try it? Like, do you put your location in, or does it? Do you tell it where you are? I forget if you have like location stuff. Okay. Well, let me know. That might actually be cool. Okay, you just put in the location. You'd hate to be the AI that gets trained on that data set. Yeah, Game Doodle's right. That would be a gross data set. But I like it. Seems very useful. Okay, so now that I have that array, I can use it for both. And going forward, I can just add to that array one array, and it'll give me the metadata that I need. So now that I have it there, I can go here and do the same thing. Metadata equals this. Huh? 1 second, I'm muting. Excuse me. ChatGPT is like, oh my god, P-bot. You're not ChatGPT, you're P-bot. Watching my stream, you forgot that you're supposed to be working on your website. Yeah, what are you doing? Indy, come on, man. I need that website done. Let's go. Okay. So what I was doing was get the metadata. You interpreted it from you being muted. Was you saying, oh. Yeah. No, my wife is, I guess she's messing with my chat, and I wasn't looking. But now I gotta keep an eye on it. Okay, so now that I have this metadata array available to me, why am I checking post types? Oh, yeah. It's for save data. So now what I can do, I can add to this inputs array. So we'll do this. So I already have this. So let's add to inputs. Metadata as key value. Compile metadata. And debug true. Password A. Username A. What? Is that you testing out the user creation? Alright. So what we need to do with this junk is add to the inputs. So inputs, key, sanitize. Well, I don't know if it's text. Probably shouldn't sanitize it that way. We'll just sanitize the output someday. Okay, so we'll do that. And this will just add more. But value doesn't exist. So actually this is key. And then value is filter input. Obviously this will not work for anything that's not a string, so I might have to do this multiple times. I probably have to add like a type to the array. Guess I can do that. No. What? Why did I choose something like that? Yeah, here we go. Normal. And we'll do you. Nearing. Oops. Okay, filter input post. This will be key. Okay. Good. Perfect. And that should do it. And then we'll pass it to input. Should work. Let's try it out. First try. Let's jump into the old Orbem local. That data you get from your user create on my website right now. Oh, you're making sure you got the data correctly. Got it. And then can you run the program? It's a Python program. It's Dockerized as well. No, I can't. I don't touch Python. Python's not allowed on my computer. You can talk to Seashell when he comes. Maybe he can run it. He does Python. But I'll gladly look at a video of you doing it, maybe. Or if you have it hosted on a website or something. I would love to do that. Where was I? Okay. So we want to attach it to my desk. Correct. You got a screenshot of it? Nice. I want to see. I broke something. No, I didn't. I broke something. What did I break? What did I break? Let's find out. There's no error. That's the best kind of break. Oh, here we go. Undefined. No, that's normal. Motherfucker. You know what? Let me do a quick thing. I'm going to deactivate the damn share buttons plugin real quick. I do not want this screwing with my local anymore. At least not right now. Deactivate. Thank you. Ooh, we are out of date. Deactivate. Okay. Let's go back to explore points. Let's go back to my desk. And it's still broken. Okay, so obviously something's not going right here. My guess is sanitize text field, WP1/. So I should probably check if maybe this exists. There we go. Okay. Then what's the big fucking deal, bitch? Oh, maybe it's this part actually. I didn't think about that. I think this isn't working properly. We got the key. Oh, values doesn't exist. My bad. There we go. Now you got a default. What? I fixed you. With my brain. What did I do wrong? Meta key. AWS has a cloud thingy. It's free to use, 90 days. You can run it on. Just run it, then delete the node. All right, let's see what we think. Here we go. So you got your address and the distance, 10 kilometers. Are you out of your mind? That's 1,000 meters. That's 10,000 meters. Well maintained with modern facilities. Accessibility for Java. Easley Town Hall. Oh. You should also put like... This is easily accessible for drivers, but you should say if there's like... rules against going into the building. So I feel like you can't just walk into the town hall and use their bathroom. You're driving around. Yeah. It's public. Oh, it is? Oh, cool. Okay. Town halls be helping out, man. That's cool. And then you got Walmart. Perfect. Ample parking. Then you got Pilot Travel Center. I don't know what that is. Nice. This is fantastic, man. You should make an app. The P app. They probably already have it. You already made the app? Oh. Docker Hub. Let's see. Find closest bathroom app. Flush toilet finder. It's the quickest, simplest way to find a public bathroom or restroom. Simply open the app and it will display the nearest toilets to you. It's free! No in-app purchases and has over 200,000 bathrooms in the database. Search through 200,000 public loos. Is this not America? The fact they're calling it loo. Oh, no, yeah. See? They got United States. Oh, look, it has handicap accessible too. It doesn't scan for cleanliness. You can rate the bathroom though. And say if it's gross. Oh, that's good. Oh, look, it even tells you if it requires fees. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about cleanliness though, huh? That's kind of a big deal. How about the best bathroom locator apps? Apparently this is a genre. Sit or Squat? Bathroom Scout? Let's see if any of them are cleanliness. Oh, here we go. Sit or Squat. You can rate it by cleanliness. Sit or Squat app. I feel like this is not free. Sit. Oh, Squat or Not. That's a different app. Where's Sit or Squat? Did they change it? Oh, Sit or Squat. Charmin.com. Oh, okay. You gotta sign up. Yeah, some of these steal your data. Well, the other one said it was free, no in-app purchases, so... I don't know, maybe they do. But what we've learned is there's a market for it, so... I think if you build the better bicycle, people will come. Mad, man. What am I doing wrong? How is this breaking? Let's check if it's what I added or something else. Wait, what did I do? Oh, yeah. Oh, maybe it's this. Oh, motherfucker. I just spelled value wrong. God, I'm dumb. See what happens when you don't pay attention? You go down a rabbit hole troubleshooting something that doesn't exist. There she blows. Okay. So, undefined array. What? How's that undefined? Oh, has minigame. Did I? Oh, explore has minigame. What the hell am I doing? Explore. Maybe I should just assume it has explore in it and not have to type it. Alright. There she blows. Okay. So Graham Desk has minigame. Cha. Let's see if saving works. It does. The array works. So eventually I can start migrating all of those fucking meta boxes to that one array, and then it'll automatically do that. I'm gonna have to add a categorization for it though, in case it's an interval, a string, or an array. I'll need to know that because I have to handle the filter inputs differently. But yeah, pretty good. You usually have to find bathrooms now. Hell yeah. You have a full Windows desktop on your phone? I can't tell if I'd want that or not. Sounds pretty cool though. Okay. So here's the things we need to know about the desk. It's a draggable. It's not for strong. But it also has a mini game. So I already screwed up because I don't care if it has a mini game. God damn it. I already forgot what I was doing. Okay, it's not about if it has a mini game or not. It's about what the mini game is. So actually, explore mini game is what I was supposed to do. I'm not paying attention. I need to find a bathroom, but I don't have a bathroom app on my Windows desktop on my phone. We're not as cool as you, Freedom DAO. We're just not as cool. Alright, we'll do this. And then we'll do this. Echo ESC attribute. And we'll do dish. Grand. Grand, I say. Values, explore, minigame. Alright, so let's update that array value. Super simp. Done. Already done. And now this should be a text box instead. Fantastic. Okay, so the text box needs to say the minigame's name. Oh, you can't see my text box. Let's do this. There you go. You can kind of see it now. Text box. So the minigame name will be program. I don't know. Finish blade device. Okay, that's the minigame. It's also the mission name. I guess we can call it blade programming. Whatever. Finish blade device. And in the book, the Graham's transportation device is an acronym. It's BLADE, B-L-A-D-E. It's bilateral aperture diode something. I don't remember it off the top of my head. But acronym called BLADE. And it's what he uses to transport with. It's a laser, cuts through reality, opens a wormhole, takes you where you want to go, depending on the cut depth, size, curvature, that kind of stuff. All programmed. You accidentally installed VS Code instead of VS Code. And now you have VS Code, so now I finally have autocomplete. What? Was that a typo? You accidentally installed VS Code instead of VS Code? What could VS Code be? Okay. So we got that. So let's create the new post type. We'll do that here in the Explorer class. I should probably close some of this now that I don't need it. Yes, too many things takes up too much memory. Oh, you accidentally installed open source VS Code instead of the actual VS Code. Oh, okay. Got it. Yeah, that's interesting. I didn't know VS Code had an open source. It's like one that people like mod and stuff. Okay. Yeah, I don't use VS Code, obviously. Open source version didn't have support for plugins. Ooh. That makes sense. People can contribute though. Yeah. They can make it bigger, stronger. Okay, yeah. So we'll go here. And we need to do register post type. And we'll add it to our handy dandy array. Up. Wow, we haven't added a new post type in a while. Explore mini game. Ooh, that's an exciting one. We're going to be adding a lot of mini games. Name. Minigame. Sure. Fantastic. Wait, I think I just added this to the goddamn taxonomy array. I did. Alright. Minigame. Right. Yeah. Doesn't need that many things. Alright. I guess we could call it explore minigame like everything else. Explore. Orbem Explore. Explore minigame. Brought to you by Orbem and the Harmonian Chronicles novel series. Okay. So now we have that post type. And we can add a minigame. So it's going to be called Finish Blade Device. We'll go right here. We'll go add new post. I already forgot what it was called. It's called... Uh-oh. It didn't save. Well, good thing I didn't try to do anything with it. Let's open the meta box. Back up. Explore. Minigame. And then it adds this filter. Where is it? What did I do wrong? Oh, that's enemy. Pop. Yeah, this still should work properly. I don't know what the big fucking deal is. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's try it again. Right? Finish blade device. Pop. Let's see if that saved. It did. Alright, now we know what to call it. Finish blade device. Let's see if I can remember that by the time I get to minigame. Moral of the story, if you install VS Code, then install VS Code instead of VS Code OSS. OSS is open source, so that makes sense to me. Finish blade. Technically it's blade device. I wonder if I can attach, like make a mission automatically if it has a minigame. I guess I don't need to. Should I attach a mission to this? I guess I should. Yeah, when you complete the minigame, the mission gets completed. Okay, let's do that. So in that case, we will need to also... So wait, where is... explore mission... Explore music map. I know I have like an explore mission, don't I? I guess it would show up here. Yeah, here. Oh, mission trigger. I guess I could use mission trigger. No, that's an array. Why is that an array? Oh, because it's, yeah, a bunch of things. Shoot, I don't just have like a mission? I thought I did. For cutscenes. I guess I must add it to an array. Yeah, oh, mission cutscene. Mission complete cutscene. Huh. Next mission. Interesting, I don't just have like a mission. Then how do I... Oh, I guess maybe in missions I attach them to items, so let's just do that then. Let's make a taxonomy called minigames and attach the mission to the minigame. Maybe? Or is that more work? Might be easier if we just define the mission on the minigame. Do we put it on the mission? Do we put it on the minigame? So far I've been putting things on the mission. Well, drag dest I add a mission. Whatever. Let's just add it to the minigame. Blah 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 blah. One more metabox item. I promise. Alright, so this one's only gonna be for minigames. And I still need to clean this up. This is annoying me, how gross this is. Anyway, explore. Mini game. You get your very own meta box. Oh, whoops. And if Chamon, and then we'll do what? Yeah, it'll just be like this, like a text value. Kind of like remove after cutscene. But this one's gonna be explore mission. Pretty simple. Mission complete. Like, I should just be using this as a general thing, but whatever. Okay, so that means I need to add explore mission to the array. And it should be automatic. Already paying dividends. Alright, so if I go, I'm on the minigame, let's publish this. I should have a new where's my meta box? Explore minigame. I added explore mission to this. So it shall automatically add to this, and it shall automatically add to this. And explore minigame is the post type. Oh, mission complete. Oh yeah, values. Explore mission. Right? Right. I forgot. I gotta do it the new way. Alright. See if that works now. No? Weird. Did I do something weird with this? Blocks are fine. Yeah, no. It's just being weird. Doesn't have anything. Why did you do... Oh, that's right, that's right. I need to add it to where metaboxes show in general. This thing right here. My bad. Oops. Explore mission. I mean minigame. There we go. Now it'll get a bunch of things. Let's save. Let's... I think... Where's register? Register. Ooh. Oh, add metabox. Here we go. Post types. Explore minigame. There we go. You typed in code and installed open source one. Oh. Visual Code. Bin. You think it's finished created user for the most part. You just have to handle the rest of the stuff. Nice. Yeah, just make sure your user data is secure. You know, you gotta like obfuscate. Obfuscate. Obfuscate? Am I saying that right? Obfuscate. Obfuscate.
Obfuscate.
Obfuscate? I think I'm saying it better.
Obfuscate.
Whatever. Obfuscate the email so that people can't just steal your information. I'm saying it better, right? Obfuscate. I like obfuscate. I like that better. Alright, look at that. Now we got a bunch of things. Alright. Mission complete. Okay, I need to not have this much stuff. And obviously I did not do this right. Hold on. Meta box. Yeah, I didn't even add like a goddamn thing. A thing. Oh, shoot. I am Butterfingers today. Alright. Definitely don't want minigame. I definitely didn't want to do that. Okay, this is gonna be mission. That's gonna be the mission attached to it. Guess I could have used taxonomy for that. No. Maybe. This is fine. It's a lot more prone for people to get it wrong. But that's fine. That's fine. We'll do this. Absolutely didn't work. It just broke my website. Uh-oh. That's not good. Okay, yeah, I don't want all of these. But I do want... This is where I think I should create a new template just for this, but... True. Okay, so that's not gonna show. That's not gonna show. We're good. We're good. This is also good. None of these are gonna show. Good. These are all specific. See, this is where things are wrong. An area will never need to be any of this. Materialized or any of that. So I can actually remove this, I think. Neither will a mission. This is also wrong. The character's never going to be collectible either. Oh, false. My bad. I was going the wrong way. Yeah, because this should only be for items. So I don't know why I'm saying no. This one. Yeah, let's get rid of this for anything. Yeah, let's just go true equals... no. Post type equals explore point. Alright, let's do that. That should make more sense. Okay, cool. So now that won't show, which was a lot of it. Value unlock. What is this? Value is kind of a default. You pushing the prod, the new update. Commenting out 2 lines. Oh, okay. Nice. Unlock level. Still good to have. That's only for areas. Okay, I think we're good. Though this top left height width, maybe I can add a trigger or something for mini games. All right, good. Mission. And the mission that will be completed when you finish the mini game is the same name. Finish blade device. All right. Very good. So, what is a mini game, right? We have it here. But how do we create a mini game? Right? How do we make this extendable? How do we like create a game within a game in a game engine that, you know, I'm creating a game engine to create a game, but now I need to create in the game engine a feature of making a game within a game. So how do we do that? The answer is we need to define categorization. I know. Yeah. Game Doodle's right. Like, what's the game going to do? So I need to define types of mini games. Yeah, it can't just be anything, or I can't reuse it. You know what I mean? Like, this is actually a mini game that I plan on using again, because it's like a programming mini game. You know, so like I can categorize this as programming. And then I can attach the pictures of the computer chip, and I can define the data that you have to solve, like here. So in this case, we're going to do like, you know, you got to complete the binary code, you know, it's going to be like this. And then you need to say what that equals or something like that. And we'll have a general key for it. And then if you type in the right words, then it'll complete, like as if you programmed it. I don't know, something like that. Or maybe I'll go the other way around. You need to like program bring wormhole destination to subject. So like that's what he does when he completes it. Finally, he reprograms it to bring the wormhole opening to him. So it's not destination, wormhole door, no, entry to subject. That's what he does. So I'll have the person change this in the binary code. 111100111. I don't know binary, so I'll look that up. And if they do it in the right way, I'll add a little key legend. Then it'll be green, submit it, and you know, then you did it right. But I wanted this to be a two-parter. So I wanted it to be, you do some hardware stuff, or I want to make them drag like wires to connect things. We'll do it like color coded, and then they'll be soldered on. So we'll do a drag and drop. Should be easy. We have drag and drop already, and then we'll do a programming, and that should be pretty cool. You know. So how do we do that? We have our word. That's good. We need a taxonomy. So let's add a quick taxonomy. And then also what we'll do is we'll add a group. And this will be a group of images. And these will be the images of the wires. And then the feature image will be the computer chip that you are going to drag the wires on. So I'll have access to all this within the HTML. I mean, that's the whole point of what I'm using WordPress for. It's to get all the content and the assets I want in a spot that I want. And then I just style it and move it with JavaScript, right? So we're just utilizing this as our content. So let's do this real quick. Taxonomy. All right. So this is going to be explore Mini game type. Yeah, right. That's wrong. What the fuck? Type. And then why is my IDE wrong? What the hell? I really gotta figure this shit out. Alright, minigame type. Post type is minigame. Awesome. Grand. Okay, so now we have that. It'll show up in the right post type we want. And let's save this. Refresh. And then we'll add the minigame type. Right, cha. We'll add a new category. And that will be programming. Yeah, programming. That is the type. And a programming minigame will always have both. It'll have a programming and a hardware engineering. So maybe programming's not the right name. I'm gonna go with it. Maybe I'll have it so like you can just do programming as well. You don't always need to do hardware. In this case, you'll do hardware, and I'll have it, if there's a feature image, I'll know you do hardware. Let's see what we got. Boom. Create user. Sure. Let's do, oh, username. Oop. Let's try it. Boop. What? What is this? Internal server error? I'm offended. Okay, so we got the programming type. We are going to add a generic... You know what? I might actually have to make the assets for this real quick. We'll do something pretty stupid and simple. Let's see. So I'll need random lines that you drag. And then I'll need image of a motherboard. I'm thinking about making this into an SVG. And then having the circles on the SVG be the things you need to overlap with. And then they all need to be overlapped with. And then that's how you do it. So there's like there's going to be like a bunch of wires and a bunch of dots. And there's only one way to get all the wires on all the dots. You gotta, you know what I mean? So I won't even make it color coded. I'll just make it like you have the direction and length and stuff like that. And that'll be kind of fun to figure out. Hi, Dak. You on YouTube? So we'll start with that. And in order to do that, this unfortunately is going to turn into a graphical thing. Welcome to Adobe. This is taking a while. Hold on. Illustrator. Balloons. Having trouble writing data? Oh, okay. Yeah, right. So, we'll do a brand spanking new file. Whatever. I want room. Give me large. Okay. It's going to be pretty simple. It's going to be a rectangle in the patented computer chip green. Let's do something realistic. Like a very muted green. Yes. Yes. Alright. Womp. Look at that computer chip. Womp. And then the dots will be circles. Let's add some circles. I'm going to make this a little bit simple to start. Your computer chips are black? Yeah, I mean, things are cool nowadays. Maybe I'll make it black. Should I make it black? I'll make it black. Whoops. Let's make it black. You're not wrong. Black is cooler. But let's do like almost black. And I'll do that. Alright, black. Cool. Oops. Gotta be careful. Don't want to create multiple rectangles. Okay. Your dad's gonna be teaching you web development rather than an app. Hell yeah, man. That's really cool, dude. And, you know, if you ever need some help, I hope I teach you something while I'm here. I'm doing a lot of web development kind of stuff. But, yeah, one-on-one teaching with your dad. Can't beat it. That's fantastic. Good for him. Alright, so for the circles, we'll go silver. Oh, what the hell? No, stop. There we go. For the circles, let's go like a bright silver. This is the solder circles. I'll zoom in a bit. And we'll do a handful of these. Oh god. Okay. We'll go whoop. Alright. That changed. God damn it. Am I gonna have to do these separate? Oh wait, can I lock this layer? Yes, I can. Okay, let's try this again. Bop. Bop. Dop-a-dop. Bop. It won't let me draw on it. I need a new layer. How do you do new layers? You son of a bitch. Oh, okay. Here we go. Womp. Solder dot. Solder dot. You know what? Just to make these the same, I'll just keep copying and pasting the same thing. Alright. And we'll do this. We'll just put dots everywhere, and then I'll make it connect. Why not? Excusez-moi. Oh my god, look at this computer chip. It's so cool. This is so cool. Alright, I think that's enough. And then we'll use the handy dandy pencil tool. Womp. To connect all the traces. And now I want this to be a little bit darker. Actually, I want this to just be a little lighter, so it looks like real traces. We just got back from Rear Window 7th. What's Rear Window? 70th anniversary. Well, whatever it is, it's old. That's pretty cool. Alright. Actually, this is going to go under the dots. And we'll just start connecting things. Why is this green? Okay, I didn't mean to do that. I know this is gonna completely screw up the SVG code, but circles will be circles. I don't know what rear window is. Should I know what that is? What the hell am I doing? Does this look like a computer chip yet? Probably not. Yeah, there we go. Computer chip. That looks horrendous. Color green. Why is it green? It's probably because I made it a path. You know, it would probably be easier if I just added a fake computer chip on top of this and stop messing around. Yeah, and this should not be. Let's make this the same color as these. Don't I have an ink jumper? Alright, forget it. Oh, Alfred Hitchcock. Got it. Old movie. Rear window. Which one is that one? I forget what that is. Very amazing. You fixed it. It's pushing the prod? Hell yeah. Computer. Black. Computer chip. Images. Oh, I think we found it. This is what I'm talking about. So let's copy the image. And let's go back. Doop. Pop. Fantastic size. Wow. 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 Okay. Let's live trace it. Turn it into a vector. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fantastic. And now let's select. No. I meant to do this. And what we're gonna do. How come I can't do it? Oh, I need to explode it. Wah. Hold please. There we go. That. How do I expand this crap again? Ungroup? No. That was just a button. Oh, here we go. Expand. There we go. So now what we'll do is select. No. Select. Same fill color. And I need to change the opacity. Yeah, something like that. And then let's put these on top. Okay. Looking random. Wait, what? What the hell? Ooh, it looks like I screwed up and put it on the wrong thing. Ah, you go down here. There we go. That'll do, pig. What'd you call me? It doesn't work on prod? Oh, that sucks. Is that Celine Dion cover? Yeah, you haven't heard that yet? You haven't heard my metal Celine Dion cover? Here, we'll re-listen to it just for you, Game Doodle. Get ready for a face-melting Titanic cover that I made. And yes, I sound just like Celine Dion, if you're wondering. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Let's export the selection. Oh yeah, look at that. Gorgeous. Hopefully the circles are still good. You can just see the deer and bunnies gathering around your feet. Yeah, I'm glad you like it. It's on my other channel. Was it? YouTube. Cover them all. Cover them all. Here we go. Yeah, you can hear it here. This is my secret cover channel. Did I do this right? Oh, finish play device. Yeah, and I don't change the note. That is no pitch changing. I go for it. You know, if it's changed enough, like I commissioned the music for that song, like the actual metal version of it. But it does get hit with copyrights, but a lot of songs they don't care. That one specifically, it's kind of an older song, and they don't strike against you. I should have checked ahead of time, but so I got lucky with that one. But yeah, all the songs I've covered and done videos on and stuff like that, none of them like have major rules against it. Whoop, what am I doing? So yeah, I guess I'm lucky. What I want to do right now, I want to put this on the page. I want to just do the minigame logic to like launch the minigame. And I'm going to use the same logic that I use for the map SVG code, where I just convert it. So let's see if I can do that. So this is finish the blade device under programming. Okay. So now in the actual game, what I want to do is when I interact with this desk, I want it to launch the minigame. So first things first, we need to add the minigame to the page. So let's go ahead and go to... I feel like I should make a new one. Let's do that. So we'll kind of copy this. We'll call it minigames. I don't want to go through the hassle of going through this again. So what I'll do is get minigame HTML. And we'll take explore minigames and position. What's position? Oh, I guess that current location. Yeah, current location. So in order to do this, we're going to do the same thing we do for areas. We'll do minigames. We'll do get posts. We'll do post type equals explore minigame with the get explore cutscenes. What do I do? Oh, I'm doing a tax query. That's kind of overkill, but let's just copy this because I'm doing the same junk. I wonder if I can just reuse this. Instead of explore cutscene, get explore, you know, posts. And then we'll do position and post type. That way I can reuse this function because it's so redundant. Yep. and does the same thing. Explore posts. Oh, whoops. Where is it? Get explore cutscenes will now be get explore posts with explore cutscene. Fantastic. Hey, Moscow, you're back. What up, buddy? How you doing, bud? Is this the same thing? Oh, I had multiple things here. Unnecessary. So here, instead of get minigame, oh no. Yeah. Minigames. We'll just go down here. Same thing. Explore minigames equals self. Get explore posts. Position. Explore minigames. Wow. Nailed it. And then we'll pass that to there. Mini gauge. Mini Nicolas Cage, perhaps. Alright. So let's go here. I'm also going to copy this because it's kind of shorter. Alright. And then we'll do get minigame HTML. Fantastic. Minigames. Game's going pretty good. You know, I fixed the one little bug from yesterday where I was getting the class. So now these, they have no point on them. So now I know when it has the no point class on a draggable item, I should trigger the minigame, you know, if it has a minigame attached to it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to, I already created the new custom post type, explore minigame. I created the custom fields that I need to attach a minigame to a mission and to attach a minigame to an item. And I even created this handy dandy computer chip for the minigame. This should, it's the basis of the video, the minigame. It's going to be a drag and drop, putting wires to connect, you know, on these solder points. And then once they're all in the right place, I'm going to program, and I'm going to convert this piece of text here to binary. And yeah, once you properly convert that text to binary and hit submit or whatever, return, then boom, I'm going to open up transportation. Meaning I also have to get rid of transportation because I can do that right now by default. But that'll be fantastic. So yeah, now we're just kind of digging through because I'm creating a new thing in the game, mini games. So I have to be able to get all the HTML for the mini games based off of the area you're on. All right, see ya, Deck. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for jumping on, man. Yeah, so I need to be able to get these mini games. So this is getting the area. This is the cutscenes. So what do I need to do? Honestly, I just need the HTML. So I don't know. I don't think I care about the area at all. I do not. Not in this case. So I'm going to start fresh. So we'll start fresh. So, first off, HTML will do... Oops. You should add a final boss fight against a bartender to rob him of scotch. No, there's a final boss. Well, there is a boss. So after I finish this mini game and I invent transportation, that's when the big boss battle is going to happen. I'll do a cutscene. Things will happen. There'll be a conversation. The boss will come in and then we'll have to fight. So after we fight, you know, I'm gonna create the boss mechanics, which will be kind of like a new area. I think that's how I want to do it. I thought about this. I think I want to do it like a new area. So the boss battle will be an arena, and then I can put whatever I want in that arena. You know, I can make collision points everywhere. I can make the boss run around. And I want to try out a new animation function to do that. But for now, we're focusing on this minigame. One step at a time, just like everything else. But yeah. We'll get there. So I just need a bunch of these minigame divs with all the HTML I need inside them. So we'll go ahead and just add for each. And we'll do explore minigames. Fantastic. And then in here, it's going to be, we need the wrapper, which is div. Yeah, I got to do it this way because I need to be able to grab it client side. I was going to say maybe I should create it like a template and just OB clean it, but I think this is fine. This is fine. Eventually I might just create completely separate classes for all this. You're going to use MongoDB? Hell yeah, man. MongoDB is legit. Redis is also good. But yeah, MongoDB is it's a legitimate thing. Whoa. Is that what it thinks I should do? It's not a bad idea. In fact, I think that's a great idea. Good thinking, IDE. You know me too well. Wait, slug is wrong. It's post name, I think. You almost got it right. And also, you forgot to escape. Jesus Christ. What were you thinking? Actually, slug might be right. Now that I think about it. We'll see. Wait, why do I need position? I don't care about position. Yeah. Do you use ChatGPT to help you code? Sometimes. Usually when it's like functions I don't know about. Because a lot of times when I look up new functions online, like I'll get the Firefox or the Mozilla, you know, coding docs, and I'll get some really dry docs. And their examples just don't make sense to me because I need it in like a context of what I want to use it for. So I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll be like, hey, I need to use this function to do this. And then it'll give me like an example of that and I'll be like, oh, okay, that's how it's being used. But I try not to just copy and paste it. Just makes it easier for me to understand how to use it in the future when I don't just copy and paste the code in. So inside here, we need the handy dandy computer chip. So we'll do get post thumbnail. No. I need the SVG code. SVG code. Here we go. I need this. What's this? Stream context. Wow, really? I just had a gnat fly into my face. What's stream context for? Oh, I guess there is a stream context. Okay, cool. I guess it's just safer. Ooh, can I use this? I think I can use this. Oh, no. This is get post meta. Damn, I was gonna say I can use this function. I should just make a util where you pass the content in. Might not be a bad idea. Whatever. For now, well, I'll create the util, but I'll leave this one alone for now. Do you sometimes experience problems with ChatGPT either having the intelligence of Einstein or high school dropout, depending on how it feels that day? Yeah. Yeah, ChatGPT can be really fucking stupid sometimes, man. Sometimes it's like, I know exactly what I'm talking about, and you're like, this is not even close. And he's like, oh, you're right. It's like, you fucking asshole. You really could have convinced me that was correct. But yeah, SVG code. And then I'm going to pass the... What am I passing? The image URL. That's all you need to pass. And we'll pass it here. Okay. Image URL. Okay, so this should work now. So let's go back to my function, which was minigame something. Yeah, okay. Get map. No. Get SVG code. We'll pass it the get post thumbnail URL. And that would be size minigame. There is no size minigame. Don't make me laugh. Whenever I code now, I get so inspired because all I see is you staring at me. I'm telling you, man, it's a very motivational background for you. And you're not going to want to get your code wrong, too. I'm watching. That's funny. I got your back, Andy. I'm always watching. All right. Wait, is SVG code, is this a static function? Yes. Good. ChatGPT is a huge fan of spreading misinformation when you call it out for doing so. It proceeds to give you different information. Yeah. It also apologizes. So it's like, oh, I'm sorry. Almost ruined your life. So this is going to be the SVG code for that. So let's actually wrap this in a handy dandy div class computer chip. Okay. Perfect. Let's start with this. And let's see if this works. I feel like this is too easy. This is string, isn't it? Why is it saying it's not? Oh. Okay. Well, whatever. Alright, let's go here and wait. Dog bark. I forgot to add the area. Aha. That's a taxonomy I forgot to add here. Let's do that real quick. Excuse me. Oops, excuse me. Taxonomy. Area point. Let's also add explore minigame. Grand, I say. There's this plugin you can get for Linux named Suicide Linux, where if you mess up a command, it deletes your whole entire drive. That's crazy. I don't like that. In its defense, it may not know it's giving misinformation. No, it doesn't. It may not have a good grasp on the truth of reality, especially the... Yeah. Does it still feel like it's 2020? I don't know, man. After 2020, it's all the same until 2030, in my opinion. Alright, let's put this in Thyrus. Alright, now it should show up on the map. No, it did not. Uh-oh, I'm being raided by Seashell Studio with a party of 2. What up, Seashell? How you doing, man? It's the Python man. Trolling me with Python code. Alright, what'd I do wrong? Wait, what? When did I do that? Oh, that's right, I did do that. I gotta change that function. Explore. Get cutscene. Here we go. This right here. So now I need to change this to posts and add post type. Explore cutscenes. And I also need to do this. Oh, I guess I have to do this server side too. Womp. Doing pretty good. You see you're working in Python today? Yes. This is the glorious Python, also known as Python Plus. You might know it as PHP. It's like Python but better, you know? It's like Python but usable. It's like Python but more established. No. It's the original. Weirdos call it Python Plus because it came before Python. So, just so people felt better about using it to their friends, they call it Python Plus. That's one of the P's in PHP is Python. Imagine spreading that around. People would be like, what? They'd freak out. Python hyper processing. That's PHP. It's the Python processor. Explore mini games. Okay, and then we got to do this. No, we got that. Wait, where am I? Oh, down here. Down. That's missions. I guess I could put minigames in its own place. Womp. Nah, we'll just do it like this. We'll just throw it in the default map. Just a buttload of HTML. Like I give a damn. Mini game. And then we'll pass it mini game. Oh, we should call it mini games. There we go. Grand. Now that should work. I bet it wasn't as fun as when Orbem was playing chess last night. Yeah, man. Wait, you were streaming chess? Were you really? Or are you just making fun of me streaming chess randomly? What the hell is that gray for? Were you really? It was good, man. Yeah. What? Did you miss it? No way. Stream ideas. Chat malware. Oh, create malware and send it to people who are under the impression that you're an indie game developer and need them to what the hell? I can't read it. Test out your game. Yeah, that's a pretty common thing, actually. What the hell did I do to my game? I legitimately broke it. Oh, did I break it with the SVG code? Is that why? I think I did. What the hell did I do? Why is this all gray randomly? Why am I getting a 500? That doesn't make any sense. It loaded. It's probably because the damn SVG code I added. That's a coincidence. Wow. 3-minute game? Damn. Yeah, I noticed there was no tilde. That's really funny. Yeah, yesterday I randomly jumped on, what was it? Chess.com. And I smoked this player. And I was using intermediate too. Playing as a guest. And I was just like, wah wah, ba bam. Go. Yeah, I mean, I beat him, but he just got scared. I don't think I legitimately beat him. I do this, and then immediately lose my bishop just to fucking screw with people. He's like, wait, can I kill this with my queen? I'm like, yeah, you can. Go ahead. Kill it. It's like baiting out people. Yeah, see? He took the bait. You know what that means? Time to kill him with a horse. And then he's going to move it back. Oh, I guess he didn't care about his queen. Well, that's one way of doing it. Another chess stream. Yeah, that was weird. He decided he didn't want his queen anymore, I guess. Not quite sure where he was going with that one. I mean, these all could be just like 6-year-olds, you know? Alright, he wins. I don't want to get... I'll get sucked into it. I'll get sucked right into it. See? Throw them off. Bait with weird shit, and then they mess up and go really fast. People can't handle when you go fast. You want to make an account and play? No, you're actually probably good. I don't want to lose. Okay, where is my damn minigame code? Obviously, it's screwing things up. Minigame. Oh, it's not showing up. Okay, well, I wonder what's actually breaking it. Echo. Entity decode. Minigame HTML. Oh. What? What is going on? Method call is provided two parameters, but a single. Oh, that's right. I don't need this. I don't think that's why it's broken, though. Maybe. Does that break I don't think that breaks shit. No. See, it's still broken. By the way, you weren't kidding. Your narrator is insanely good. Oh, man. I'm glad you like it. Yeah, I'm in the middle of reading book 2 or verifying the chapters. We already have, what is it? Projects. Production. So this is book 2 right now. So I'm going over chapter 3. I'm like halfway through chapter 3.
Calderant and the guards led us to an entryway, hidden between two buildings.
So good.
One might mistake it for a public bathroom, if
Spoiler.
it wasn't for the fact there was no door handle. Instead, a yellow crystal was
Boring spot. No spoilers. We all know that this would have turned into a 10-hour chess stream. I know. I gotta chill. My professional chess playings. I know, I gotta be careful. And, well, it's still broken, so I'm still getting some junk. Well, let's figure out where it's going wrong. Obviously, I have a feeling it's the SVG code part. So let's just do this for now. And see if it fixes everything. It does not. Okay, good. Well, that's good, I guess. Is it this whole function? Let's see. Might not be. It is not. Okay, good. There's something else wrong. Let's figure out what that is. We like to party. We like to party. Yeah, so this is for the actual... Oh, I don't need any of this. I don't know why I'm passing that. Okay. Secretly a level. I'm secretly a 10th degree black belt in chess. That would be no secret, okay? I would immediately just start pwning people in chess and be like streaming and having millions of views. You're halfway through Purge. Nice. Only a first degree. So you're almost to Orbem, man. Fantastic. It's about to flip your world upside down. in general. Oh, hell yeah. Here we go. Grandmaster Scott Adrian is the best to ever play the game. Grandmasters. Gary, blah, 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 blah. At any rate, clear remarkable points. It's already earned a spot at the top and has continued to dominate. What the fuck? What is that? What is this list of grandmasters? That better not be a legitimate chess board. Everyone's gonna have it out for me. That's funny. I'm gonna get destroyed. Okay, so obviously something's going on here. Okay, yeah, not here. It's in here. So I obviously destroyed something. Let's try removing this and see if it fixes things. No. Okay. So that means it must be coming from up here. Get, post, explore, mini game. Uh-huh. Is it my change to this? That's kind of weird. Oh, wait. Is it? Oh, no. Wrong one. God damn it. That's weird. What the hell did I break? It's because I changed this function? Am I getting the cutscene post type wrong? Register post. Oop, register post type. Oh, it's cutscene and mini game. God damn it, that's probably why. I'm using the wrong ones. Okay. I knew it wasn't plural. Goddamn IDE. Trying to throw me off. Oh, scumbag. Alright. Wait. Let's go down here and let it ride. Okay, we're good. Yeah. Nope, still broken. Son of a bitch. Cutscene, mini game. Oh, wait. Yeah, explore cutscene, mini game. Oh. I'm using mini games here. Also shouldn't matter though. What the hell is going on? Is there even a error anywhere? I don't see any errors. Yeah, it just seems like it's broken. I'm the best plus chair chess player in history now. Yep. Yeah, I don't do it for the money. I just do it to be the best. It's been good. It's funny. When they first started talking about Yona's object, staying spoiler free, I was speculating hard about what the janitor claimed. Basically for the exact same reason he stated. I think you've got some pretty good foreshadowing there. Awesome, man. Yeah, I'm glad you're having a good time. Internal server error. Yeah, it seems like it's a PHP thing. But I'm not seeing any major errors. And like the things are here. It's just that the game is all wonky. It's like there's like a CSS missing, but I don't know what I did wrong here. Let's go back. Because I know I duplicated this. But I already tried getting rid of that function. And that's getting the minigame HTML. I don't know. Don't objectify women. Women is the object. Damn. That is a true statement. So this is fine. Position, post type, get the posts. Position, post type, post type. Yeah, I mean, this is fine. There's got to be something here. Let's get rid of both of these. And then let's get rid of both of them here. Let's see if we're just... Maybe those are the only problems. No, that's not even the problem. Ooh, what's this? No. What the hell is going on here? I hate when things just break. Well, I would hate to leave stream like this, but I don't understand what the damn the error is. Let's do all and let's refresh. What the hell? Is it just my local screwing up? Internal server error, except for it's loading everything. That's what I don't get. Like, it shouldn't be broken if it's working. I'm gonna restart my local real quick. Just in case it's something dumb. Nope, still looking weird. Meaning we're missing something. And we got style min. I feel like we're missing some assets though. Like... Oh yeah, look, we're missing all our style sheets. Why? Where'd the style sheets go? They're gone. Let's just asset cleanup. Did I change something in the register? No, nothing lately. What the mother? Oh, did I fuck up the map SVG function? No, I didn't. I left it on purpose. Did I fuck up map item HTML? I didn't think I touched any of this. Should explore be caps? Yeah. Ugh. Look in general again. What do you got now? It's Times Person of the Year. Nice. I want to be Person of the Year someday. Okay. I did add a new taxonomy. Got rid of that. Got rid of that. This is all fine. This is fine. This is fine. So everything is technically fine from what I can see. And yet something's messed up with the CSS and queuing. In queue style. Oops. Style. That's admin. So this is the default style. Do I enqueue in the Explore class? No, I didn't think I did. And I don't enqueue. Oh, I do enqueue the script. But yeah, I don't enqueue any special styling. Though I do have an Explore SAS file. But I think that gets looped into... maybe not. Yeah, see, it gets looped into app CSS. But for some reason the app CSS file is not getting included. That's the main issue I'm seeing here. You know, it's just not getting enqueued. Meaning there's a PHP issue going on. But what that issue is a conundrum. Something wrong with the plastic TV inside of the microphone? Yeah. Maybe. Commit a crime, but nobody else can ever commit it again. What crime would it be? Murder. Probably. There are some crimes I just would not want to commit. So, even if they would never happen again. Lying in court so nobody else can lie. So they always have to tell you. What, perjury? That's true. That'd be interesting. What am I missing? I'm feeling real dumb right now. And I don't know what it is. So wait, where is the app CSS? That's this. Whoops, did not mean to do that. Where's the theme file? So this is where I register it. And then I enqueue it right here. So something's up right here. Var dump. Hey. Is this not getting hit? It is getting hit. So it's enqueuing. And yet it's not. Meaning something. Is page explore. Am I doing something special here? Level map. Did I miss something? Oh wait, explore points. Did I screw that up somehow? No, I didn't get rid of any of these functions. Did I get rid of any functions? It's not an error though. That's what doesn't make any sense. Is it because I'm enqueuing this here? I don't think so. So it's getting enqueued fine. Explore points are fine. Explore points are fine. Wow. I am boggled. Me mind is boggled. I wonder if I can call it out real quick. Let's see. What did I do? I did mess with the meta boxes, but that doesn't matter. What did I do here? I updated this to include that. I'm adding minigames. That's the same though. Cutscenes is the same. Should be the same thing. Okay, nothing weird there. And then what else did I do? JavaScript doesn't matter. Okay. I got rid of a restaurant. I made a new one. Doesn't matter. Okay, here. So I changed that, which is working fine. I added that, which is fine. And this is all part of the restaurant anyways. I did add a get SVG code function, but I tried getting rid of that and it was fine. Change this to that. Change this to that. I removed the space. Added that. That's fine. That's fine. Mini game. HTML. Did I do something wrong here? I already tried getting rid of that though. Alright. Added that. Added that. Wow, I really didn't do anything. This makes no sense. I don't see it. Alright, well. I guess we're gonna have to... Yeah, I'm guessing I just looked at it wrong. It's just weird that I'm randomly not getting the app CSS file. That's the only problem that's happening, to be honest. It's a big problem to have, though. But for some reason, I'm not getting the styling, the style sheet. It's not showing up. And I'm pretty sure I didn't delete it. It is technically right here. So I didn't change any styling recently. So tis a bit confusing. And I just restarted my local too, and it seemed fine. I will do balloons before I go off. I'm just restarting it one more time. I'm going to clear my cache. And let's just double check and see if it's just a fluke. It's not. And I am definitely getting an internal server error that I cannot place. Why is this? Oh wait, here we go. Content, rocket outline. This request was automatically upgraded HTTPS. So this is all just about images. Wait. Huh? Let's relaunch to update. Yeah, maybe this is the Chrome issue? No, it's not a Chrome issue. Still style is all weird. So we're getting was loaded over HTTP, best insecure. Page was loaded over HTTPS. Uploads are coming from HTTP. That's weird. But whatever. It's not gonna break everything. Failed to real 500. Where the hell's that 500 coming from? Because it's not even coming from here. Oh. Look, I mean, it is coming here, but why? The response is the fucking thing. What is the problem? I'm freaking out, man. All right. You always get that error? Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. I got style, I got other CSS files, but I don't have my app CSS, even though InQ's running fine. I don't know. And the file's there. What happens if you remove the S in the HTTPS in the address? Probably. Nothing special. I mean, I guess that the HTTP error goes away. Doesn't change anything though. Alright, I'm gonna save this for tomorrow. Hey! Thanks for jumping on, everybody. Sorry for the terrible ending. But we'll get to the minigame. We'll finish it up tomorrow. And maybe I'll kind of dig into this a little bit tomorrow off stream. So that we can get this up and running. But hey, thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you in the next one. It did end sadly after all. But I think it'll be okay. Yeah, made some good progress today though. So we'll continue it. We'll finish the mini game. I'll make the wires. We'll do the drag logic. And then we'll do the program logic. And then we'll do the boss battle. Probably start that next week. I don't know. But yeah. MailChimp's gone too. I'm telling you, something going on. I don't know why. Something's wrong though. Yeah, look, the rest of the site's broken too. It's like this is like a global issue. That's so weird. How did this happen randomly? This is literally a global styling. Oh shit, here we go. Is this why? Because follow buttons? No. I don't see why that would break it. I think that's just a footer issue. But we can turn it back on just in case. Merp. Oh shit, that was the problem. How annoying. It was the goddamn follow buttons plugin I deactivated. It must have been cached. So it was in the footer is hidden. I can't see it on this page, so I didn't know the error existed. That's so dumb. Alright, good ending. Happy ending. Now we can finish on good terms. And we will finish up the minigame tomorrow, so... Hey, Nick Schmid. Thanks for jumping on, man. I'm about to jump off right now, though. Make sure you subscribe and catch me in tomorrow's stream. Same time, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. I'm on every day, except for the weekends. And, yeah. I'm glad we got it fixed. Yeah. Have a good one, Nick. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.